In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Doordash gift card on the app. Whether you've just received a gift card or you're planning to give someone the delightful experience of ordering their favorite meals conveniently, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to redeem and use those gift cards right from your mobile device. Let's dive right in and get started. First, make sure you have the Doordash app installed on your mobile device. If you haven't already, download it from your device's app store and follow the prompts to set it up. Once you've got the app ready, let's head into it. Start by opening the Doordash app on your phone. The app should bring you to the home screen where you'll likely see a variety of restaurant options and deals tailored to your taste. Next, you're going to navigate to your account settings. In the lower right-hand corner of the screen, you'll see a small icon labeled Account. Go ahead and tap on that. This will bring up a new menu with a few different options regarding your personal information and settings related to your Doordash experience. Now that you're in the account section, look for the option labeled Gift Cards. It's usually situated right in the list of options, or you might find it after scrolling down just a tad, but it should be easy to spot. When you find it, tap on Gift Cards. This is the place where you can either purchase new gift cards or redeem those that you currently have. Before we proceed, make sure you have your gift card handy and that you've revealed the gift card PIN. This is crucial because you'll need this PIN to redeem the gift card successfully. Now focus your attention on the Enter Gift Card PIN option. Tap into this section and you'll see a field where you can input the PIN. Carefully type in the numbers of your gift card PIN. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any errors that could delay your experience. Once you have entered the PIN, your Doordash account will automatically register the gift card funds and you're all set. You can check your account balance by revisiting the same gift card section just to confirm that the funds have been loaded. With the balance added, feel free to browse through the delicious offerings in the app, and when you're ready to check out, the gift card balance will automatically apply to your order. And that's it. You've successfully added your Doordash gift card to the Doordash app. Now you can enjoy your orders knowing that your gift card funds are readily available to cover costs. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you enjoy your next meal with Doordash.